One of the most expensive RC cars on the market, but more on that in a minute. Followers of the program have seen me crash this car many times. Are we gonna break already? Come on, man. But enough of the teasers, let me set up the scenario. This 5T is in pristine condition. I don't think our guy Miko has ever put it in the dirt, but I convinced him to do just that. And in one of my last videos, we ran this 5T against a gas 5T and it dusted it. So I decided to make it a fair fight and bring out the Kraton 8S would-be EXB. I've changed almost every part on it. The 5TE. And it's expensive because it's been converted to electric. Max4 ESC Castle 2028. And I'm sure he didn't know it was gonna be this much dirt. But come on, man, God made dirt and dirt don't hurt. Come on, bro, you can do it, man. Just bring it on out to the dirt, man. I promise you, it's gonna be okay. Hey, man, he looked right, he looked left. We almost lost him, good people. We almost lost him. But he's a good spirit, so we got it on. Ready, steady, go! Yeah, man, I told you it was gonna be a little different this time. The Kraton don't mess around. The Kraton, they don't mess around. Oh, and that M2C chassis is built to this. Max5 G2, capable of 12S, but in the dirt, we only run 8S. We don't want this thing to get too hot. More on that to follow. Nice. Hey, steady, go. If y'all see Miko on the street, don't tell him that you saw the video where he lost every race. Don't tell him. Also, the secret weapon out here on this dirt is these Magmas by J Concept. Now, if you notice, Miko has the MX43s on that 5T, but these J Concepts, they balloon just a little more. As a matter of fact, the only reason I nailed this jump is because the wheels balloon past the front bumper, allowing the car to keep rolling when it hits. The ballooning or extra diameter is making the car go faster across the ground, way faster than it would on the MX43. I wouldn't use the Magmas in every scenario, but this is a good one. Welcome to the dirt playground, my man. I'm proud of you. This is fun. Come on, good people, come join us. AI told me tight shots and slow-mos is the key for engagement. Let me know in the comment section, man. How am I doing making these videos? You guys like them or what? I tell you now, I enjoy running these cars and I do enjoy making these videos. And if you enjoy watching videos like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell a friend and tell a friend. Your boy from 5-7. If there's something to hit, you'll hit it. This is the bucket we hit. Man, sorry. Huh? Damn, that took too much power. That beeping you hear, that's Miko's remote. I just replaced my batteries before we started. Oh shit. And there it is, battery's low and the car's being carted off. Let's investigate, I'll show you exactly what happened. Ambient temps about 90 degrees in Florida. We was running about 40 minutes. The motor is not hot, I can keep my hand on it. Look at that, after all that bashing, that's good, right? Look at this. ESC is super cool. Batteries are super cool. All this stuff is cool. Feels good. Hobbywing Max5 G2, impressive. Now there's mixed reviews on the GPM stuff. So what happened was I came around that corner and this thing broke. But I had these spare EXB parts laying around. So let's just fix it. And through the powers of editing, we're back on our feet. And if you see this part online, maybe skip it. Just get the EXB parts. Arrma, built tough. Now like Miko, I have my fair share of shelf queens that never touch the dirt. But man, this thing looks good when it's dusty. Public service announcement time, people. Don't buy any of these upgrades if you're new to the hobby. Just buy the car that's in your budget. You'll have a great time. Promise.